Hello guys, so today I will show you how you can use our extension for finding contact from LinkedIn. So first you can come on our website which is the peakai.com, and here you can see add to Chrome, click on it, then it will redirect to the Chrome web store. Then you can click on add to Chrome, add extension, then you can see it is added and it will redirect you to our dashboard. You can see here it is. So I already made a video on how to use dashboard. You can see it, or here I will show you the another option to find contact, which is from LinkedIn. So you can come on your LinkedIn, you can open it. So after coming to LinkedIn, you can search anyone's profile. Let's say I am searching Kunal Bhal. So after opening the LinkedIn profile, you can see here it is our the extension. You can click on it, and here you can see the dashboard. So you can click on connect LinkedIn, then continue with LinkedIn, then add your ID and password, then allow. Then here the dashboard will open. And if you come to again to the profile, you can refresh the page. You can see successfully connected to the LinkedIn. And here you can see the three options again, the extract contact, extract work email, and extract secondary email. If you want to extract contact, click on it and you can see the number, and click on extract work email and find the work email ID. And if you click on extract secondary email, you can find it. So there is a one more feature. If you feel it is a wrong data, you can report it here, and from that we will see and give you the refund the credits. So you can see here the option report wrong data. You can click on it. You can add any comments. I am writing wrong number, or you can select the option where it is the phone number is incorrect or the email is incorrect. And click on it and submit report. Then okay. Then in the backend we got the information, and if we feel the number and the email address is wrong, we will refund your credit. Thank you. You can come to Java Call, search Java Call, and here you can see our extension is pop up. So here you can search anyone's company. I am searching Lenscard Solutions Private Limited. Then click on extract contact, and here you can see all the names of the company directors. So there is a two option. Firstly, you can click on extract contact and you can find the phone number from here, or you can copy the DIN and paste it here in our dashboard. Then find director, then reveal phone number and reveal email address.